Hi, collective. Let's see what's going on with the person on your mind. Let's see what the shared energy between the two of you all is. Let's see what's going on with the person on your mind. Okay, we have the Page of Swords and we have the Tower in reverse. We have the Five of Wands and we have the Nine of Wands in reverse. I think I'm picking up on someone who is going through a very difficult time in their personal relationships and they know the way out. This person has a tendency to ignore their own intuition, their own judgment, and place other people's perspective above their own intuition. And this person is going through something like that. This person is in this energy where they are feeling too burdened because of their personal life choices. Can you tell me what this is about? Can you tell me? This is about a quick action. This is about moving forward in life with fast decision. There's something about a fast decision which they are totally avoiding. We have the death. This person is in this energy where they want a new beginning, but they are resisting to let go of a change. Like they are resisting to make a change. They are resisting to let go of their old ways of thinking, old ways of behaving. For a lot of y'all, this person is not able to let go of a group conflict. This person is in this energy where they circle back to the similar drama, similar conflicts, which in a way fuel them, but they want to act as if they don't really pay attention to these things. This person is in this energy where they are not realizing of how much of their energy this drama takes away from them. I'm also picking up on someone's energy who is in this space, in this mindset where they are constantly thinking about how they could have changed certain things in the past with you. Like they had an opportunity to start something fresh with you, to start from scratch, or like, a new beginning with you, to develop something which is fresh. But they missed that opportunity. This person is continuously thinking about the missed opportunity. They were presented with the opportunity, but they are thinking about how they didn't really grab that opportunity. I think, this person is in a very pessimistic mindset because when they think about the past, they have this optimism or they had this ray of hope that things could have worked out if they took some action in the past. But now, when they think about the future, they think in the present moment, there's just a lot of stagnation in the energy and there's a transformation which is needed. But in the future as well, they are hoping for the worst. And when I say that, what I mean is they know they have to take sudden action, they have to go through the swift instantly, but they are resisting to do that. They are limiting beliefs come in their way. Can you tell me more about this situation? Can you tell me more about the situation? This person is in this space, in this energy where they know that their limiting beliefs are stemming from their childhood traumas. They are aware of it, but they don't understand the full extent of it. This is someone who would make fun of healing. This is someone who would make fun of therapy or certain things like that. They know that they need it, but like, they use their dark humor to cope up with it. This person's coping mechanism would be making fun of the situation or making jokes about the situation. This person is in this energy where they know that it's not funny anymore. They have to do something in order to get you back in their life. And they know that it's stemming from their childhood traumas. They know that it's stemming from their negative beliefs, their limiting beliefs, but they cannot really understand how to move through it. Like, this is someone who is procrastinating this one specific thing just because they feel like it's too much for them to deal with. This person has a fear of being vulnerable as well because this person feels that sometimes their vulnerability is taken advantage of. So this person comes off as a rebellious teenager in relationships. Like they come off as a person who is not so kind. This person is in this energy where they want you to accept them for the way they are. And when I say that, they also want you to accept their childish behaviors. They also want you to accept the way they deal with certain sexual situations, like when they entertain other people or when they flirt with other people. They don't want you to get so emotionally attached to it. Like they want you to take it lightly. I'm not picking up on someone who is very controlling, but I'm picking up on someone who has a script in their head, and when you don't follow that script, you kind of like, become a negative person in their mind. Like, this person has a list of people who do not understand them. They are a part of their life, but they have a tendency to behave with them in a different way. This person's tolerance level is very high, so they have a tendency to behave with these people in a different way. And when it comes to you, they want you to tolerate a lot of things that they do. They don't want to change their behaviors, but they if you react to these behavioral patterns in a different way, or if you react in a way uh, which requires for them to change, they don't really want to do that. They become like a child. They become very stupid, and they feel as if you don't necessarily mean so much to them. This person is in this energy where, this person is kind of, this is a toxic relationship, honestly. But I'm also picking up on an energy that this is a very mirroring relationship. This person is mirroring you, the things that you need to work on, and you're mirroring certain things that they need to work on. Like, there's a lot going on in this connection. And what I mean by that, like, let's be realistic. Like, in a perfect world, maybe there's a relationship that exists without childhood traumas, and it's a perfect relationship with the perfect amount of chemistry. But this is not one of those relationships. This is one of those relationships where this person tests you a lot. Like, this person has mental tests. They put you through tests, and they have their own deadlines. And if you don't really follow those tests or those deadlines, this person has a tendency to shut you off, or like, to not give you that credit that you deserve. Like, this person is very calculative. This person is very calculative. They treat people, they have parameters, and they treat people according to how the people behave when they are misbehaving. Like, let's say this person is not a good friend, and the other person is still a good friend to them. Like, that person will get 10 plus marks in their mind. And then that person, like, they will do something in the future to give back to that friend, something like that. This person is very calculative. That's what I mean to say. Tell me more. What's going to happen in the coming future? This person is going to try to move on from this, but I'm also picking up on an energy that, something is going to change in their personal dynamics, especially in their relationships with their family, and they are going to release a lot of guilt that they hold within themselves. And this can be in matters of what I'm picking up on, like, this can be father wounds which they are releasing, and it's going to clear out a lot of energy for them. And this is going to happen in a matter of like 6 weeks to 12 weeks. But this person is going to go through an intense shift where they realize that, they don't need to behave as a rebellious teenager because of their childhood wounds, like something like that. This person is very complicated. But yes, there's a transition coming in the future, and you can expect this person's behavior to change towards you. And this person might also, like, at this point of time, this person might be lacking accountability. This person doesn't like to be held accountable for whatever they have done. This person likes to get away with things. That's like the dopamine hit that they get in their mind when they get away with things. And that is something which is changing in the near future as well. This person is going to be much more accountable, and they are going to make an effort to get into a balanced relationship with you. Right now, they know that there's a lot of unjust situations that they have created in this dynamic, and they want to move past those unjust situations. So I think they are going to take some accountability. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next reading. Bye bye.